Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to change font on Instagram bio. This can be a great way to add some personality to your account and make it stand out from the rest. Let's go through the steps together, so you can mix things up and enjoy yourself. Without delay, let's dive right in. So first of all, open up your preferred web browser and then go over to this exact website, igfonts.io. And then when you are on this website, tap on where it says add text here and you can type or paste in whatever you like, fonts. So for example, I am simply going to type in just for fun. And then you can scroll down and you can see all of these unique text fonts that are available to you. So you can tap and hold on any of these fonts, you can copy them, edit profile. And then go over to your Instagram profile. And then tap on edit profile. And then tap on bio. And then simply paste that text over here. Tap on this check mark over here. And boom, now my bio looks like this, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.